Hopetoun House is often referred to as Scotland's finest stately home, and it's easy to see why. As you enter the grounds and come down the driveway, you see the impressive facade. It's set in 100 acres of rolling parkland, 40 minutes outside of Edinburgh, located on the shores of the Firth of Forth. Building started in 1699 and was designed by the architect Sir William Bruce. It was extended in 1721, firstly by William Adam until his death, then later by his sons, and work carried on for 46 years. It's been home to the Hope family since the late 1600s, and the present Lord Hopetoun and his family still live in Hopetoun House. In 1974, Charles William Frederick Hope created the Hopetoun House Preservation Trust to ensure the estate was preserved for future generations. The estate reflects the aristocratic grandeur of the early 18th century. The impressive interior of the house has remained virtually unchanged for 3 centuries and has fine examples of paintings, tapestries, and beautifully crafted gilding and plasterwork. It's £13.50 for adults and £7 for children to see the house and the gardens, and it's part of the Historic House organisation, so free to enter if you're a member. Also, if you're a fan of the TV series Outlander, the house and the estate were used as a backdrop in many scenes from series 1 to 3 to recreate scenes in Scotland, England and Paris, including the Duke of Sandringham's residence and the Ellesmere estate.